Our Mheshimiwa, our two-term guy, Zaheer Jhanda, we are very thankful because you have no partiality on this exercise. Indeed, we congratulate you and we pray God to give you that time, good time for excelling and working for Munyalibali Church.
Mheshimiwa ndukutamu nekero kerike bero mumanyete ngo wetatori nyasano tosimiali
bitazon nyambane mbati omunyakerogo otenerete gipasari Nyalibali Church constituency lero ogotobwate exercise gyokoena na gipasari checks cy'abanafunzi ba universities, colleges na polytechnics and other vocational trainings. Nabo tubanyorera abantu bari abange, and we are very glad nk'abantu baito nabo baigwete kare twajironjeti wamefika kwa wingi na tunaendelea kuwahudumia. So biashara inaendelea mzuri, watu wetu wako sawa, wanaendelea kupokea cheki zao, biashara iko sawa.
Ndangake nkeke liora manye oli otaracha kuya cheki ya ese chia chile school.
Chinde cha chile school kuna anto bwate chikategori twachete ko twabegete category ya basic checks na individuals injiro. There is some institutions chitwali kirete basic checks kuna Kisii National Polytechnic, Kisii University na other small institutions within the constituency and outside the constituency.
Anangake chipasari chia form grade 10 na kimwa chibangire na ababande bakoreta application kurumaga cyanyore.
The process is on moralia biasara bya pasari bikenderete eyenere ntangani ya tertiary institutions eyenere ntangani ya kabere ne rotokenderete na togokole toirane secondary year grade 10 2 and 3 and 4 abarobu tumanya ko bahereri.
Andangake nkike liora manyo mo ibuli liore kalya egasima ndeta kora bisinga kigenda tenengiyere gosenga kimogenda tegasi.
Ebiasara bikenderete bya I think nonya ni numurigireti biasara bikenderete bya oise koligeria abantu they are still coming na ende ondeta iyo chira okoramika nga check ya etaranyo. I think we don't have any case against the checks kiromo ndondo ngana bagoika na endo kolerwa na endo ogenda despite bali batamanyete nga chicheki cyabo chinde ncyarenge kire public checks.
Kwa Fred omali makoli korwase ekenyoroto korokalia nyamwamu Kyogoro ward igo nkoira nilingambu ya mono. We are proud about our Mheshimiwa Zaheer Jhanda because of the system is now using and the criteria of giving out checks. Indeed, we are proud because he has dispersed to us Church University, colleges and other small other small colleges within the constituents and outside the constituents.
Kore no mogoko kuko ni Mheshimiwa Zaheer Jhanda ngambi mono ase twanyore chiki cha bana be university muna borombo ato mwana technical university Kenyatta University na data ni Kimati tuko ni Mheshimiwa ngambi mono na indake endere igo na inde omwakonde nyasaga kutukioro tumuyani oburayo atokonye amone kamati yaye tukwate ngambi mono.